Good morning, first grade. Hope that you're doing well and ready to learn some phonics today. We are going to be reviewing, I told you yesterday that this week was just mainly a review week. And so yesterday we reviewed our vowel digraphs. So today we're actually going to talk and review about our combinations. And so I like combinations because we get to have some fun with it. And you know that when we code a combination, we code it with a swoop underneath. Now, you can call it whatever you want to, a smiley or a half circle, but I think the word swoop is fun, and so that's what we call it in classes. We call the combinations. When we code it with a swoop. All right, so we remember that our combinations are when two letters come together to make one unexpected sound. So there's no long vowel, short vowel. It just makes an unexpected sound. So let's review those together. I have some of them on my cards, and then some of them are still at school. So just like the other day, if you have your coding sheet words like this, go ahead and make sure you have that out, because you can have that to help remind you and be with you while you are coding your words in your sheet today. All right, so let's review real quick up here. We're going to review them just like we do in class. So I want you to say the letters, what it is, and then the picture. So watch me first. Just like we do in class, we say combination AR, R like star. All right, remember how we do that? So I want you to do that with me today. And we're going to go through them all. So make sure I'm not saying it by myself. I need your help. All right, here we go. Let's say them together. Combination AR, R like star. Combination OR, or like horse. Combination QU, qu like quilt. Combination ER, like butter. And then we're back to the AR. All right, but I am going to come to this sheet, and I still want you to say these with me, okay? So watch me as I point to them. Let me get a marker. All right, so find the spot where it says combinations at the top. All right, we're just going to go through all of them again because it's great review. So let's do that together. Here we go. So I've got combination AR, R like star. Combination ER, like butter. Combination IR, like bird. Combination WH, like well. Combination OR, or like horse. Combination UR, like turtle. Combination QU, like quilt. So those are all the combinations that we've learned this school year. So that's why now we are going back and we're going to review them, because some of them we learned at the beginning. So you might be like, hey, I remember that. We did that like the first week of school. And we possibly could have. So we're going to go back now and we're going to review those in these words. All right. So if you will go ahead and get out your phonics sheet, phonics 133. There's not many words to code today. So if you have time and you would like to, you can do the back. You can read that paragraph and answer the questions, because it's great to use those phonics skills and apply it to our reading. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. My black marker died on me, so I have to use some green. So hopefully you can see this still, and if you can't, please let me know, because I will throw this one away and go find some black markers, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and code these together, code the words together. And if we don't know the word, remember that we can always sound it out, and then we can code it. So if I didn't know this word, let's sound out and say all the sounds in this word. You ready? Queen. All right. So first I have to see my combination QU, so I'm going to put a swoop under it. From yesterday and from all the days in the past, I remember this is my vowel digraph, so I'm going to underline the digraph, put a macron over the E, and cross out the second one. And that's how we code the word queen. Queen. Number 19. The word is corner. Corner. So I have my combination OR, or like horse. I've got my combination ER, like in butter. I also am going to put a K back on my C. Okay. And then, is there something else you see here? Hopefully you're yelling at me through the screen. Okay. And this is a V, C, C, V word. Remember that we have to find our two vowels and then our consonants in between. And then we have to clap to see where the syllable line, where we're going to put that line. So let's see where we're going to put it. You ready? Go. Let's clap the syllables in corner. Corner. Alright? So I'm going to put my line between the R and the N. And my accent mark goes right in front. Corner. Alright? Hopefully you guys are seeing that. It looks fine on my screen, but we will see. Alright, the next word, bluebird. Bluebird. So the first thing I notice is my vowel digraph. I'm going to underline it. Put a macron over the U and cross out the E. I also see a combination, like in bird. So combination IR, I'm going to put my swoop underneath it. And then hopefully you're shouting at me saying it's a compound word. You're exactly right. Compound words are when two words come together to make a new word. Blue and bird. Put my line down the middle to separate it. Bluebird. Very, very good. Don't forget your accent mark. All right, 21. The word is turnip. Turnip. All right. So turnip is like a vegetable, okay? So turnip. Let's go ahead and see what we notice. I do notice that I have a combination UR, like turtle or turnip. All right. I see that my I is a short vowel I, turnip. Okay. And then, hopefully you're noticing too that this is a V, C, C, V word. Let's see where my line's going to go. Turnip. All right. Between the R and the N, don't forget my apostrophe. And my word is turnip. So draw your picture to that. Kind of looks like an onion. It's not an onion. It's a turnip. All right. 22. 22, the word is farmyard. Farmyard. All right. So I notice my combination AR like star, right? Put a swoop under AR. That was one of our first ones we learned. And I also see another R like star or yard. This is a compound word. Farm and yard come together to make the word farmyard. Don't forget your apostrophe. Do that in a minute. All right. And that is all you have to do for the word farmyard. Or your accent mark. I'm sorry. Last word, number 24. The word is whirlwind. Whirlwind. So I see my combination WH says wah. Oh, I have another one. Combination IR says like bird. Wah, wah, and. Whirlwind. And I do know that this is a compound word, so I'm going to put my line down the middle with my accent mark. Whirlwind. All right, and then you are to, you have pictures on your sheet, and so I want you to draw the lines to match the keyword pictures and make those connect. All right. So I know that this was a little quicker, and that's great because you are done for today. But if you want to, go ahead and use those skills and read the back of that. Use those phonics skills, those combinations to sound out words that you may not know. I want you to read the back and answer the questions, all right? I hope this was helpful and that you remember and are reviewing all those combinations that we've learned. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye, friends.